Tell us a little bit about the difference between careless driving and dangerous driving.
Well, both of them can be the same kind of driving actually. It can be the same type of driving, but this could be careless driving, this could be dangerous driving, it could be the same. What elevates careless to dangerous is the outcome. If the outcome is bad, if someone gets hurt, or if damage to property happens, it's going to be elevated likely to dangerous driving. Generally speaking, dangerous driving can be anything, it's not specifically defined. One of the things it can be speed. So if you're belting down the motorway at 180 or 90 kilometers an hour in a 120 kilometer zone, you could be arrested for dangerous driving, because dangerous driving includes speed. Driving at 40 miles an hour on a motorway might not be dangerous driving, it wouldn't be likely. But if you drove at 40 miles an hour down a very narrow country road with lots of twists and turns and where people would be walking, it could be. And in fact, it probably would be. So it depends on circumstance. Dangerous driving is an automatic disqualification. If you're convicted, you're off the road. You're off the road for 2 years for dangerous driving. Careless driving used to be automatic, or it was never automatic rather. It wouldn't be a disqualification. But now the judge has a discretion, if you're convicted of careless driving, whether or not to disqualify you. And in that case, then, if they find you guilty, they will invite your lawyer to make representations to them as to why they shouldn't disqualify you. But careless driving isn't an automatic disqualification. Dangerous driving is. That's the big difference.
Give us a few examples of what's defined as careless driving.
Generally speaking, careless driving is where your driving falls below the standard of a competent and prudent driver. That's supposed to be the test. If your driving falls below the standard of a competent and prudent driver, that's careless driving. If your driving falls far below that standard, it's dangerous driving. Dangerous driving tends to be something where you expose people to peril. I think the exact expression is immediate peril. So you overtake on a continuous white line, it's another car coming, it has to swerve to avoid you. That would be generally regarded as dangerous driving. Overtaking on a continuous white line where there's nothing coming, but you cause an inconvenience to the driver in front of you that you were overtaking, might be careless driving. So it depends on the results of your driving.